This is your sign to stop overspending on makeup because this entire look was done with affordable products. Let me show you how to do it. I'm a huge fan of Korean skincare. This is from Haru Haru Wonder. This is the Barrier Essence. This looks unbelievable underneath makeup. I also have this in my nightly skincare routine and it's super affordable. I'm obsessed with the Lumi Glotion. I love to use this almost as like bronzing drops. It gives the skin a really beautiful glow. Drugstore aside, this is one of my favorite tinted serums. This is the L'Oreal True Match. This stuff makes your skin look absolutely flawless and I love the way that it feels. It feels really light and luxurious. e.l.f. has some really amazing products. This is the Camo Contour. The pigment in this is insane. Watch how easy that blends. My favorite affordable brow pencil has to be the NYX Brow Definer. I've been using this for literally years. I'm gonna do a little blush combo because I can never do just one. This is the Catrice Blush Stick in Radiant Honey. That's gonna be my base. And on top of that, I'm gonna add the Camo blush from e.l.f. This is shade Dusty Rose and I'm just gonna pop that on top. For the under eyes, I'm gonna start with this Morphe color corrector in shade Blossom. And then I'm gonna add the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Since that color corrector is really bright, I'm gonna use a concealer that's a little bit closer to my skin tone. I'm just gonna merge the two and then drag it out underneath the eye here. Now just setting the under eyes with the Fit Me loose powder. This is so good. It's so fine. I use shade Fair because I like the bright, smooth under eye. To melt that powder, I'm gonna use the Hydro Boost setting spray from Neutrogena and I drench my face in this. To highlight, I'm going to use the lighter shade of Lumi Glotion, shade 902, and I'm just adding it to the nose. And then with the back of my sponge, I'm going to apply it onto the cheeks. Morphe eye palettes have been that girl since 2016. I'm going to go in with Seize the Present. I'm going to take these two shades here, just place this all in the crease. And those shades are also going on the lower lash line. Adding some of the sparkle shade Cheers to You on the eye. I'm going with the Essence Gel Eyeliner. This is shade But First Espresso. I'm going to flick out and do a little baby wing. And I like to put the eyeliner just on the outer part of the eye here. So I'm leaving this part blank and then I'm going to add this to the inner corners. Lashes are curled. I'm going in with Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I want to start with contouring my lips and I'm using Morphe Brulee. And then I'm going to just blend this in with my finger. Now I'm just blending on top of that with Bleeper. This is from ColourPop. And the best drugstore lip gloss on top. This is Maybelline Ice. Alright you guys, here is the final makeup look. Honestly, this makeup is bomb. The fact that it's all affordable, insane.